How to verify your Discord account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can verify your Discord account. So let's get started. First, open up your Discord. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now what you'll need to do is tap on the use section on the bottom right. Now from here, go to the settings on the top right. And here you will see account. Tap on account. And there you should be able to see an option that says verify your email. If you don't see it, tap on your email and there you will see verify email. Now tap on send verification code and your email will receive a verification code, as you can see. Now just type that code here, tap on next, and you can just go through this verification process and just you can change your email if you want to, or just do not do that, and your Discord will be verified. And that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.